Hi, today I'm going to be doing a video about ball pythons, also known as royal pythons. Why they're called royal pythons is because royal Africans wore them as jewelry. And male ball pythons usually grow to 2 to 3 feet and females grow to 3 to 5 feet. And they're the smallest constrictors in Africa. They are non-venomous, and ball pythons are really sweet pets to have. They are really picky eaters, so usually you heat the mouse up in a water cup and put it in there for no longer than 24 hours, and if they still didn't eat in that amount of time, you take it out, throw it away, and put a new one in. And this is my ball python, Sugar. She's a pastel ball python too. We got her in San Jose, but we live 3 hours away from there. And we weren't planning on getting her, but she was a really sweet snake. And we looked around to see if we could find one cheaper than her or also nicer, but she was the nicest one there. And one lady didn't let us hold one of her snakes unless we were gonna buy her snakes. But so we walked back to that breeder and we held all of his ball pythons and we picked her. And she has happy faces on her. That's not the reason why we bought her. We didn't notice that she had happy faces on her a week or 2 after we got her.
Show me the happy faces.
Okay, let me find her happy faces.
It's up right here.
Okay, yeah, right there. She also has a mad face. And she is a skinny ball python because she didn't eat for us the first 3 weeks we've had her for. But she's eaten twice. And we just cleaned out her cage. She's really nice. And she is not slimy for those people that don't have a snake, even though when she looks shiny. She's not wet either. She's kind of silky, kind of scaly, but not too scaly. So, bye.